Hello again guys. Right, so here's a quick video on what I'm doing on Strategy Tester this morning. So this is what it looks like when you set it up. You go to your view, open Strategy Tester, then you get this page here. You load up, you need to download the Strategy Tester and put it into your Expert Advisor folder. Then you can load it by using this drop down list here. Look for it, it's free. Just put your email address in and set up a password. When you start this the first time, you'll be asked for your password if memory serves me. It's not my first time today, obviously. I am not affiliated with this. I don't use the multi-time frame, although I gather it's working because it slows my machine down too much. You load up the symbol you want to test on. Every tick is the best data quality. Times you want to trade the data from. Time and date rather. Then the time period, well, I'm concentrating on M15 for the DAX at the pre-Frankfurt Open, Frankfurt Open and London Open. Spread, if you chose the spread spread option as automatically, I think it'll be about 600-700 now. Choose it for 100, which is 1 pip effectively, and the rest should be pretty self-explanatory. So kick it off and you'll see price moves like a manic thing. You can pause it here, then you can load your own templates. I've set up 2, the slow one, proper one that I want to trade. That's got the pre-Frankfurt 6 AM, the Frankfurt 7 AM, 8 AM London Open and 10 AM, and then the US Open. I've got my RSI histo on here. You can choose your templates. You set up your templates on something benign because you can't change the template when it's loaded. So set up your template. You'll find the more stuff you've got on there, the slower it goes. Stop loss and stuff, you can set them up automatically load when you take a trade. So in this instance, this is currently short biased because we're below 0, so I'll slap a trade on just to show you what happens. Slap a sell on there. Now if you set it when it's paused, the trade won't load up until you set it off again. Take the pause off. There it is there. Now the automatic take profit is there because then you can move it to whatever you want after the trade is running. Not something I recommend when the trade is live, of course. And then it does everything for you. So this is actually suggesting sells are on at the moment. It'll probably change now and totally negate that, but we're in the middle of the US Open now, so it's liable to play around. So let's put the stop loss, bring it down so it shows you what happens with the close of price. There it is, that's closed. You can buy instantly, and whatever you want to do, change the stop loss again. We're approaching, you put levels on there, so let's say we want to do a 15-minute reversal, so the level would be here, low high high low high high. As price moves down, we've got a 15-minute reversal down by the look of it there, hiding behind there. As price moves up and down, there'll be a 15-minute reversal up here in a moment. High low lower high lower low. When it does, if it corresponds with momentum here, we could have a go at a long, which will close the short trade automatically. Should do anyway. We'll try that. There's not much momentum here, so it works in exactly the same way as live trading would. Momentum's picking up. That still hasn't confirmed to the long side there, so not a valid long trade. This is now making a swing trend down. You can use everything like you would normally live charts. Now that's looking good to the buy side. So oh, it didn't close the other trade automatically, so oh, it's because I had 2 buy trades on, buying. Apologies. If I put a sell on, it will close the buys automatically, I think. Let's see if it closes those wins properly. This is the fastest it will go, and part of the reason it's going slowly is because I'm filming this. You want to speed it up. Build yourself a template that has a lot less indicators on it. I've done this myself so that I can speed things up, because I only really want to trade at this period here. So I'll set one up like this. That will speed things up, as you can see. And when it passes this line, this is the midnight line, then I'll put the other or I pause it, put the other template on, and then I can zone in on my time period. So we'll do that when it approaches that one there. There. Now I'll load up, and we're slap bang on the Frankfurt Open. We're confirming up, we've pushed up, that's a good buy signal. Restart it again, move my stop up if I want to, move my take profit to a sensible resistance level if I want to. You can draw lines on here like you would normally with any other live trading situation. As I said, you can put support and resistance lines on there. It works really, really well. You can, as I said, change the template. You can't change the time frame, but as I say, if you want things to move on faster to save wasting time, you can move it yourself. There's lots of other stuff that goes on over here as well. So there you go, guys. You know, it's a useful bit of kit. There you go. Oh, all the other stuff as well. The results shows you results of your trades, graph, and you can save them as reports when you close this down. That's it. Quick and easy, and it's priceless in my opinion to get you into the anticipation of what may happen, rather than just looking at flat charts. That's my dog making that noise, I do apologise. Rather than making just looking at static charts, it's priceless. So once again, put a benign template on there to speed things up. Wait for the break of your line and stick it, or pause it rather, should I say. Let's go back and pause that. Yeah, that one. That's probably the Frankfurt Open again. I need to get a quicker trigger finger. Load the good template on there. Let's have a buy on that one. So, very useful bit of kit once you get used to it. And that was taken out. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.